Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about the 2 Sundays before Easter when the Lord of the Column celebration is held at daybreak. As always, in the descriptive box below there are links to other websites for more information, including Amazon.com if you wish to purchase any of the books in the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. Beginning at midnight in a procession of thousands of people, the life-size figure of the beaten and bloodied Christ is carried from Atotonilco, a village about 30 minutes drive time outside of San Miguel, into San Miguel de Allende on the shoulders of the faithful. The statue was molded from traditional indigenous materials of cornstalk and powdered orchid bulbs in 1823 by Father Gonzalez, parish priest of Atotonilco. Christ leans against the column for support, he wears a loincloth, and on his cheek is the kiss of Judas. For the procession, hundreds of silk scarfs are brought by local women and lovingly draped across his battered body, along with images of St. John and Mary as Our Lady of Sorrows. Afterwards, the scarfs will be removed and safeguarded for funerals and other religious ceremonies later in the year. Along the way, the statue will be greeted by purple and white paper flowers, intricately cut paper banners, and balloons strung on wires across the road. Anyone is welcome to join the procession that marks the beginning of the events of Holy Week at any point along the route. As the group winds its way towards town, it stops for prayers, hymns, and a mass. Finally, it enters the northern edge of San Miguel de Allende, heading for the St. John of God Church amid the deafening clang of church bells and the crash of fireworks. To enter Avenue Independencia is to experience a multimedia event of sights, sounds, and smells. Artists stay up all night creating intricate murals of seeds, plants, and flowers that release aromas as reenactors of Roman soldiers and Jesus enter town. In the early 1820s, an epidemic broke out in the city after the image was sculpted and it was featured in a procession. The miracle of ending the plague was requested of our Lord of the Column and granted, and that's why this procession continues for almost 200 years. As always, feel free to click the subscribe button below and get automatic notifications of new videos as they come out here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's Secrets.